Now, let me see. This is a cherry tomato. So, and a lot of my tomatoes that the new tomatoes I'm growing, I have determinate or indeterminate or semi-determinate labeled on them. So, you see how long this tomato plant is? I'm going to show you how to handle this. Remove all of these lower things that are coming up here. Clip them off, all right here, down here, like that. And then I'm going to lay all of this stem in the ground and bury it. So all along here, that root is going to grow, and then the plant is going to grow up. And this is a indeterminate. So we're going to put our label here.
Fear has a hold still on me. Anxious, I struggle to breathe, but your love surrounds me. Your love has found me. The real me so easily hides behind walls I construct deep inside. But your love breaks through me. Your love pursues me. You know that I know. Tonight I let go. All of me tonight, all of me. I lay all of me here at the feet of the King. All of me tonight, all of me. I lay all of me here at the feet.
Teaching you guys what's going on, showing you guys how this works. So this is a homestead tomato, and I wrote in the back that it is a semi-determinate tomato. Semi-determinate. So all of this right here, you see all of this? These are roots. This was leaning inside of another tray like this, another container like this, and it started rooting itself down into that container. So that's why I'm telling you this works when you plant it out like this, your long tomatoes like this. It's just like if you're doing your transplants and, you know, like me, didn't put the light on because you didn't think it was going to germinate that quick. So you bury it into your transplant container, a potting container, as deep as possible, and that's how it works. So that's how it works outside. All tomato plant to the rescue.